Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we will be learning how to log out of all devices on Roblox. If you think your Roblox account might be logged in on multiple devices, or if you suspect someone else has access, then logging out from all devices is a great way to secure your account. First of all, open up your Roblox application on your mobile device and log in. From the home page, go ahead and tap on the More button at the bottom right corner. From the More menu, click on Settings. Inside Settings, click on Security. At the bottom of the security page, you will be able to see Log out of all other sessions. Tap on that, and that will log you out of all devices except the one that you are currently using. In the pop-up, click on Log out in order to confirm your choice. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, then you'll need to verify it with your passkey or any other verification method. So that way, you can easily log out of all devices on Roblox. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.